everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the birdwatching info card for Winter Mallard, one of the special winter frost birds. During this winter frost on week 2, there are 4 new special winter birds like this, and this bird is one of them. And the birds will looks like this. And to get this info card about this bird, make sure you have already accepted the quest called Winter Birds on Duty from NPC Bailey J. This quest is required, so don't skip this step. And then next, just explore the suburban lake area on the town, like over here, and then in here, and then on here. Just explore the lake area slowly and then just find the bird. And once you meet this bird, just equip your birdwatching tools and then just simply tap camera icon to take a photo of the bird. And after taking the photo, you will get the info card for this bird. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!